Yan, okay, nahanap niya.
I love you guys. What's up, my homie? We are in the Philippines hometown.
Yeah,
Just look at your side. Impossible is nothing. Thank you.
Nice motto in life.
Nice motto in life, pare.
Ay. Alipay.
Yo! Bukas yan, papanood mo sa akin, no? Tanga na kayo, nakakatawa yan. Everything is impossible in this world, but nothing duplicate because the key in the padlock is lost. Ang layo ang puta.
Seryoso ka lang. Lalo natutuwa ako.
Ben, papipipicture tayo.